Alright, so a little change of plans. We're going to be doing everybody's story with 2 vehicles, and also Bach is going to be filming both of them. So I'll do the behind the scenes for both of them. The first one's going to be a nil that you guys met with that, and then I'll do another video on this portion of the video with Ricky. Ricky, are you excited?
Yeah, it's a good day, nice sunny day. Got the car back, it's making some good power.
Car came back from what, Jersey, right?
New Jersey, last night, 7 o'clock.
Did you wash it today or yesterday?
I watched it last night.
Last night? Yeah? Okay. But the main thing is the car was good, man. I know you have a nice gap in the rear, but it's for all that power, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I've never tracked the car.
Yeah. Okay. So he actually tracks his car. He doesn't play around. So we're here with Ricky. Ricky, you have a great car. Beautiful M4.
Thank you.
People, right? Random people. Look at this. Look at this homeless guy here. Just keep going. So anyways, Ricky, I want to appreciate you coming out and meeting with us early. I know we did different plans right now. We did basically one feature video first, and then we're doing the second one now. So if you guys haven't seen that video with Anil and his E46 M3, check that video out. I'll link it in the description, also up on top. But Ricky, your car is gorgeous, man. It's a great looking car, signature wheels. I'm a big fan of BBSs though, but you know, signature wheels are great too. But the main thing right now is it has 1,005 horsepower. Is that what it's dying up to right now?
Yeah, right now it's about, it made, I can't disclose the numbers, but it made a good bit.
More than 1,000.
Around there.
So more than 1,000. He'll tell the numbers later on when he's allowed to, because he's working with, which partners are you working with right now?
I'm working with Zone Rotors, Force Performance, and working on some custom turbos right now.
Okay, okay.
So got to keep everything under the wraps.
So what's your plan for the vehicle? Like, what do you see yourself doing to it? I know it's never ending, right?
Yeah, the car's never, it's always going to be a build per se.
Yeah.
The mod bug's not going to go away.
Because if you haven't seen his other car, he has a Supra, which is why hence his Instagram name is Superman. And the main thing is, if you guys live in Texas and you guys didn't go to the event tomorrow or even the rally, I feel bad for you guys. I said it in the last video, but I'll say it again, because there's a lot of gorgeous cars like this unique build here, like we're gonna see later on the B-roll footage, and also the BMW Invasion feature video. So I feel bad for you guys, but we'll relive it through these videos, and also the feature video. But Ricky, tomorrow you're excited. We have a huge show for you and everybody else that's coming out. You'll have this displayed so people kind of see it, because you are the first one to have 1,000 horsepower on an M4, right?
That is correct.
First one.
M4 period.
First M4 period.
You can't take that title. It's first generation M4.
That's why I heard you bought all copies of that, right?
Yeah. So sorry, guys.
So nobody even got a copy then?
You maybe could have found a copy in Barnes & Noble's. I know one guy found one. I found 3 that was local here.
Yeah, I'm gonna cherish that magazine though, because it has a story behind that, right? But I had Barney behind the camera. Barney, what do you think about the whole thing, man?
Well, we want to say thank you for giving us the time. I mean,
yes.
You have an amazing build. I mean, being first one to ever do this, it's just, it puts you on a different level, different bracket, especially when it comes to these cars. Everybody's doing something different, and we really appreciate the uniqueness that you have on this vehicle. So thank you for coming out, man, and giving us the time.
Yeah, anytime.
and we're gonna do some what, B-roll?
B-roll, and that's all the fun stuff now.
Now we're gonna do some fun stuff.
All right, guys, we're behind the scenes right now. We're shooting a little bit of the rollers. They got that going on right now.
There's gonna be some cool shots of the bridge.
On this side? Yeah, but I think we're going to be casting too big of a shadow.
All right, go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward. Go forward more.
This road isn't in the best condition, so we're gonna keep it around 30, 35.
All right, so we basically pretty much wrapped up Ricky's car. We did a lot of the beauty shots, a lot of the rollers there. Right now we're working on Nil's car. In that video, we're checking out some of the fine details of his, and he's gonna be working on that. Oh, Bach is gonna be working on that. But there's a lot going on. This is the first time we've ever done 2 feature videos at once. Isn't it crazy how like events like this bring people together?
Yeah.
Right?